Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shalane, and in today's video we're going to make a snowman out of some glassware. The cup and the plate I got from the Dollar Tree. They do have some fish bowls at the Dollar Tree, but they weren't big enough, so I did get this one from Walmart. So it was a little bit more pricey. I think it was $2.97. You can paint these with regular paints. It's just easier. I find it easier to spray paint the glass, and I need a smooth finish so I can put the snowman face on it. So I will be taking these outside. These two will be going together. We are going to put this together as the hat. This is going to be the face of the snowman, and we are going to place this on top. And this is what it's going to look like, and then we will paint the face on it. It'll be super cute. But before I do that, I want to tape off the top of this because I want glass to glass contact when we glue it on. And I'm also going to go ahead and apply this top part to this hat so I can spray it all together. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to grab my E6000, which is going to be for permanent hold, and this is your hot glue is going to be for temporary hold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue this on, tape off the top of this, and then I am going to spray paint this white and these two black. So now we have our glass spray painted. So what I'm going to do is I want to create a little face. Excuse me. I want to create a little face of the snowman. So what I'm going to do before I get the paint out is I am going to take a pencil and I'm going to lightly trace a face. You can get on the internet and just find one that you like. It could be dots. This one I'm going to make really cute, so I'm just going to trace it on before we bring out the paint, and then once we do that, then we're going to get the paint and we will paint everything on. Alright, so I'm sure y'all can't see it on the camera, but I just jotted down my lines and where I wanted pretty much everything to go before I start with the paint, because I can erase after that point. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take my black, and this is just black acrylic paint, and I am going to outline everything. I am going to paint part of the eyes, this turquoise color, and then of course the nose will be orange. Alright, so now we have our cute little snowman face on. Of course, it doesn't have to be this elaborate. You could do the dots and a little nose and it'll look great. I just wanted to go cute for the face. So we are going to let this dry. And then when we have everything dry, we are then going to take our hat that we made and we are going to glue it on top, and we are going to add our embellishments on it, and it's going to be the cutest little snowman. So I will come back once this dries. All right, so while we're continuing letting the snowman face dry, I am now going to add some embellishments onto our hat before we glue it on top. That way we can set it aside and let everything completely dry. I just grabbed some of my Christmas embellishments. Most of them I got from the Dollar Tree. These I clipped from other projects. I just grabbed some that I didn't use. So what I'm going to do is I want to add a ribbon around his hat. So I'm going to take this ribbon that I got from Sam's. I'm just going to cut a big piece off of it. And I want to glue the seam where I'm going to be placing the embellishments at. So I am going to take my hot glue. I'm just going to add a little bit on the side and just glue it down. And I'm going to wrap it around, glue the other ends. All right, now that we have that on there, now I'm just going to take some embellishments and I'm just going to glue them to the side of the hat. So now we have all the embellishments on the hat. So now I want to place, glue the hat on here. So I will be applying, this is the reason that I didn't paint the top, because I wanted it to adhere to the glass and not any paint. So I'm going to add some E6000. And then I'm going to take my hot glue, add some hot glue. I'm going to take my hat and I'm going to put it right on top. Hold it down for a second. Okay, so while the hot glue dries, we are going to add one more finishing touch. I want to add some fake snow around the brim of the hat, around the top of the hat. So I'm going to take some white sealant that I got from Lowe's, and I am just going to apply some just in random places around the hat. On the pine cone. I'm just going to take a popsicle stick and I'm just going to move it around a little bit, give it some peaks and make it look more like snow. Alright, and there you have it. It is completed and it's really cute. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed the craft, if you could comment and let me know how you like it. If you like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more crafts. I appreciate all the support everybody gives me. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.